So this is there a set ruling on doing wudu? Some say you can start from washing feet first. Also, do you have to wudu to do dhikr? No, you don't have to do the wudu with for zikr. All you can do is that, alhamdulillah, but being in the wudu is one of the best qualities of a believer. This is the hadith in Sahih Sunan ibn Majah, where Rasulullah said that one of the good signs of the believer is that he keeps himself always, or he protects his wudu, which means he likes to remain himself or herself always in the wudu. So that's something I'll encourage that people, and mashallah, in this month Allah has blessed me with that. I normally don't, do the wudu only except for the prayers. But this month, mashallah, I felt like that I should, be in wudu throughout the day, the whole month of Ramadan. So alhamdulillah, this is something that is a good sign of a believer.